Breaking the rules of time, scientists discover evidence of a negative time in quantum physics. Imagine a world where time doesn't always move forward, but at times, it seems to stretch backward. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, this bizarre concept could soon be part of reality, as quantum physicists just uncovered evidence of something extraordinary: negative time. Hello, fellow explorers of the universe. Today, we're diving deep into a mind-bending discovery that could challenge everything we know about time. Welcome to Beyond Science X. For years, scientists have been investigating strange behaviors of light and time, but recently, researchers at the University of Toronto pushed the boundaries even further with a claim that may just leave you questioning reality itself. They found evidence of negative time. Yes, you heard that right. Negative time. Now, before you start thinking about time travel or reversing the clock on your life, let's break it down. The research led by Daniela Angulo and Ephraim Steinberg focused on how light interacts with matter. Specifically, how photons, the particles that carry light, behave when they pass through atoms. When light enters a material, it's absorbed by atoms, which then re-emit it. But what if, in some cases, that re-emission seems to happen before the light even entered the atom? This is where things get really weird. Imagine this: 1,000 cars entering a tunnel at noon. The first car leaves a second before the clock strikes noon. Normally, that would seem impossible. But in their experiments, the team found that the time the light stayed in its excited state was negative, meaning it had a duration of less than 0. Think about that: negative time. The researchers used lasers and carefully calibrated equipment to observe how these photons behave in a quantum system. Their findings suggest that these particles don't follow a strict timeline like we're used to, and instead, their interactions happen across a spectrum of durations, some of which defy normal understanding. Now, the key takeaway here: this doesn't mean we're bending the fabric of space-time or traveling backward through history. No, what they've uncovered is a quantum quirk that's all about how light behaves under certain conditions. And importantly, these findings don't violate Einstein's theory of relativity. Time doesn't actually go backward. Rather, this is an unexpected phenomenon in quantum physics that still follows the rules. Not everyone is convinced by this claim, though. Some critics argue that this negative time isn't as groundbreaking as it seems. German physicist Sabine Hossenfelder raised concerns that this isn't actually time traveling backward, but just a way to describe how photons shift phases as they travel through materials. But the researchers at the University of Toronto are sticking to their finding. They believe this could be the first step toward understanding how light behaves in ways that we've never fully grasped before. So, what does all of this mean for the future of science? Well, while we're not on the brink of time travel just yet, this discovery opens the door to exploring deeper quantum mysteries. It may lead to a greater understanding of light, time, and the very fabric of the universe. Will we ever crack the code of negative time? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, we're living in an exciting age of scientific discovery. If you found this mind-boggling discovery fascinating, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quantum physics updates, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep questioning the universe.